Callum, are we in a tropical storm? Yeah? It's raining very hard. The power just went out, and we're trying to take him to the mall so that he can play inside because he's going stir crazy. Yeah, you're excited to be out of the house, aren't you? And there's Grandma Jean. Grandma Jean has her shower cap on to keep her head dry. I'm getting video of this, Grandma Jean.
Oh no! How funny! That's hilarious. Shower cap. Oh, this is crazy.
And there's Grandpa Al. We're getting video of this, Dad. And there's Gigi.
Al, my mother's car cover is halfway off her car.
Well, don't worry about it.
All right, we're off to the mall just for you, Callum.
This is pineapple juice.
This is all for Callum. Say bye-bye, Callum. Bye-bye.
Oh.